guys, so in today's video I want to come and show you guys how you can style one of Outre's newest wigs. They recently just came out with a newer converted cap wig, and this is actually supposed to mimic natural hair. I want to come and show you ladies the style and show you how I'm going to style this hair and see what we have going on with this wig. But if you're new to my channel, welcome, and let's go ahead and get started. If you have not washed your hair with baking soda, I would suggest for you to try that. So y'all, this is another unit by Outre, and this is another one of their converted cap wigs, and this is a synthetic wig, y'all. It has your deluxe cap, which means that it will, like, your wig will lay just flat and it won't give you no type of problems. I did decide to buy Afro Queen, and I do have this in a color DR2 ginger brown color, and y'all, I don't know what it is about the ginger brown color that I just cannot get away from, y'all. It just goes so good with my skin complexion. So in the stock card, they really did like style some really cute styles, y'all. Let me show you guys the color. So coming share the pack, this is like what she looks like, and I have reviewed like a Afro wig. I think it was like my very first video so don't y'all laugh at that video, but it was video, y'all, and I did review like a Afro wig. But yeah, so the converted cap wigs, they are very comfortable. I have so many converted cap wigs, but I didn't review all of the wigs that I have, but I do have a lot of converted cap wigs, and for the most part these converted cap wigs are very comfortable. You gotta clip her, you gotta clip her, you gotta clip her, and then you are able to adjust your wig as well by using the wig strap in the back. And the color is really pretty. The texture is really soft too. I do feel like this hair gonna need to be a little bit fluffed out a little bit, in my opinion. I do feel like it's gonna need to be fluffed out. I think the interesting thing about this wig is, like, I like how the front of this wig, like how it comes up, like it gives you more of that pink Afro type look, and that's what I love about this. And this is what the color looks like. Now my head is on the smaller side, but this wig, hold on y'all, let me get my mirror. Whew, this wig is like super duper cute, y'all. Like I said, period. Y'all can get so many, ladies, you can get so many styles out of this hair, okay? Like, and it's so soft, y'all. It's just so soft. Okay, so, and even if you bring it all the way down, but even if you do like, all right ladies, so I'm gonna see how this is gonna look with a headband. Okay, this is really cute. This is a really cute style, y'all. And this hair is so freaking soft, and I have not put nothing on my edges or anything, y'all. And this is how natural it is, y'all. This is a super duper cute wig, you guys, and I love this hair. Like, it looks so natural. I'm gonna get a little dressed up, y'all, because I went ahead and put on my outfit for the day, and I found these little earrings in my closet that I already had. I think I bought them from like one of my local beauty supply stores, y'all, but this is just one look, okay? I just wanted to show you guys how it was gonna look without me putting like any type of gel or anything on my hair, because this hairstyle that I'm about to do is gonna require edge control and all that. So I just wanted to come on before and you know, just kind of show you like how the hair looks like by me just having my natural hair out and by not having no type of product on my hair. Like, this wig will be giving if it just like fluff it out a little bit. So I just parted my hair into 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 sections. So whenever I'm doing like my natural hairstyles, I like to use grease with a combination of the Shining Jam. I'm gonna just take some grease and I'm just gonna grease my scalp like so. Then I'm gonna take the Shining Jam, y'all, and I'm just gonna, I'm not gonna put it exactly on my scalp. I'm putting it like on the hair. Yeah, I really hope this hairstyle comes out really good, but for the most part, I have confidence in myself that this hairstyle is gonna come out really well. Hopefully, then just know that you could do so much to your hair. And don't be afraid to try different styles on your hair. Cause I promise you that once you figure out like all the different styles that you can do to your natural hair, you can be like, dang, I can do my hair any way I like, and I like it. Now, y'all, I know I look like that character from Rugrats. Is it in? It was Angelica's doll. I know I look like that, y'all, but it's okay. It's okay. And it's the Springy Afro Twist 16 inches. Hope you guys can see that. And it's T1B 350. And this is what the color looks like. So hopefully this color will actually, see, color coordinate and don't look that bad. So this is gonna be the back of my hair, and then this hair is gonna be for the front of my space buns. And then I'm gonna use my crochet needle to help install the buns. Okay, so here we go, y'all. So just take your crochet needle. You see the rubber band? Let me zoom in for you guys a little bit. So take it, put it under the rubber band, and make sure to hook. So when you put it in, you're gonna put it in with the hook latch closed, okay? And put it in there. And once you slide it under the rubber band, it's gonna look like this. It's gonna open, okay? So leave it like that. And then I like to take the hair and kind of like twist it as tight as you can, because you're gonna put it like on that hook. Let's see, hold on. So twist it, because you're gonna put the hair, and you can turn the hook if you want to turn it. Hold on. And then once it's on there, you're gonna put the, and you're gonna pull the hair through it like that. And you're gonna take the hook off. And you're now just gonna pull one piece out of her. You're gonna pull one piece of the hair through. I don't even know which one I'm gonna pull. I'm gonna just pull this piece out. Okay, here we go. So then it'll look like this. And it's crocheted through. And once it's crocheted through, you can pull the, like tighten the rubber band back again. Some of this jam, and then I just start twisting it. Then you're gonna hold it here, and this is when you'll start like kind of like going around. And this is how the Bantu knot is formed, just like so. And it'll stay, of course, but yeah. So I am now gonna take my favorite edge wax, and this is the Murray's edge wax. Now it does look white whenever you put this stuff on, but I guarantee you guys that this stuff will lay your edges down. You hear me? It will lay your edges down. So what do y'all think about this hairstyle? Should I do some more natural hair videos? Because I actually might do that, y'all. This is really cute, you guys. Outre did a really good job like mimicking natural hair. So let me know in the comment section if I should review some more converted cap wigs, or what other type of style would you like to see me try with this particular style. And yeah, I'm thinking about doing a wig giveaway probably for this month, because I have not done a wig giveaway, and you guys have been supporting me more than you actually know, and I truly appreciate every last one of you ladies. And yeah, we are almost at 500,000 views on my channel, y'all, and we've come a long way. But you guys, I hope that you are drinking up all your water, getting up all of your vitamin D, you guys. Peace out. Please give this video a like, and you guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, you guys.